Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate compass. To calibrate compass in DJI Lito X1, let's go to App and go to Settings. In Safety scroll down and find Compass. Select Calibrate. Now, if aircraft has arms, keep arms unfolded. Stay clear of metal and electrically charged objects and keep aircraft about 1.5 meters above ground. Keep the aircraft powered on and avoid starting the motors. After matching all requirements, tap Start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.